Assalamu alaikum dears. Our topic is a gases exchange. All living organisms must of need of a gases exchange. It means every living thing has a need of the exchange of gases as they can live in the world. In animals, they exchange their gas through respiration. Animals exchange their gases through respirations, and in plants, they exchange their gas through both photosynthesis as well as respiration. Plants exchange their gases with the two sources, which number one is the photosynthesis and other one is the respiration. After the animals and plants, the fishes exchange their gases through gills. Gills. The fishes exchange their gas through gills. Gills means the covers of the fish, and fish gain or intake the oxygen through gills. Other hand, the amphibian exchange their gas through skin, book, lungs, and gills. Amphibians get or intake the oxygen through three sources. Number first is skins, and second is book, lungs, third is gills. And the aquatic organism exchange their gas in water. Means aquatic organism, those type of organism which are living in the ponds, rivers, oceans, they exchange their gases in water. And the terrestrial organisms exchange their gas in air. Gases exchange in plants. The plant gas exchange with the process of photosynthesis and respiration. Plants exchange their gas through the two main sources, photosynthesis and respiration. During the daytime, the plants exchange their gas with the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the oxygen exit and the carbon intake through the photosynthesis. During the daytime, the plant intake the carbon dioxide. Plant intakes carbon dioxide through the photosynthesis and outtake oxygen. And photosynthesis is occur in the leaf. During the night time, plants release carbon dioxide and intake oxygen. It is means inversely to the day. Means in day, carbon dioxide intake and outtake oxygen, and other in night, the plant release carbon dioxide and also intake the oxygen. During the night time, the plants exchange their gas with the respiration in night time. During the hot day, it means the high temperature, the plants exchange their gas with the respiration, not to use the process of photosynthesis, because need of temperature is maintains about for the trees. If the temperature will very high, then plants also exchange their gas with the help of respiration. The plant exchange their gas with the special pores called stomata. Stomata present in the leaf of the plant. What is stomata? Singular stomata. Stomata means mouth. These are the microscopic opening present in the epidermis of leaves. Leaves have two layers. There are two layers in the leaves of plant. Number first is upper epidermis and second is lower epidermis. The plants exchange their gas with the microscopic pores called stomata. Stomata is one type of pores present in the living plants and is like small pores, and stomata is made up of two cells which are guard cells. Each stomata contains two special cells called guard cells. Means that every stomata is made up of two cells which are guard cells. Guard cells are kidney-like shaped. When the guard cells open, the carbon dioxide intake and oxygen outtake from the pores. Means that through these pores, oxygen outtake and intake the carbon dioxide. During daytime in plant process, photosynthesis present. Means through the help of light. The plants made their food with the help of photosynthesis process. Plants made their food through the help of photosynthesis which occur in the leaf of plant through the small pores which called stomata. Every stomata is made up of two guard cells.